And we have arrived.
Yes, we are
Yay.
here. Let's go see how we can get through this one.
Okay. What's the plan here today? We're going to go through the rehab
There
plan
you
for
go.
it's kind of a first walkthrough and a rehab plan. Is that what the thought is?
I've never even been here,
Okay.
so we're gonna have to go see what it is.
All right. This will be fun.
Hope we can leave that.
So it's got an irrigation system on the property?
Sprinkler.
Oh,
Wow,
sprinkler.
it's got a door.
That's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so cool. Put a door sweep on the bottom. That's a solid wood door.
Wow.
Old fast. Older smell, but
Tall ceilings, I like.
I like the wood too.
No power. So we haven't, I'm guessing.
Excuse my language. Too much power. Jesus.
Oh, you have some power.
Yeah, I gotta call him Monday. So, just got some paint.
Someone liked angels.
I wouldn't go too crazy and patch stuff up too much. Just
The wallpaper in here. Whoa.
What is this? Oh wow! No, that's down the street.
3. Wow, what a
Okay.
beautiful home.
It's got all the old
Small closed-in kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, calling this these days. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, God.
They're everywhere.
Well, here's the bright side. Look at this frigid air.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. Ooh, keep that.
What are we doing? Looking underneath the floor?
See what's on the
Oh, good. Hold on. I gotta catch that.
Carpito.
What are you doing, D? Talk to me.
We're gonna look at the floor, see if we got a treasure.
Oh, what kind of treasure you looking for, hardwoods?
Hopefully a good floor.
Survey says.
Like that Spokane house, we pulled up the stuff and
Oh my God.
look at that. Come
Second, these little
on.
ovens, but
Been preserved underneath the padding, so that's good, yeah?
even this is good.
Yeah.
I mean, this is cool for that. I mean, even this is kind of neat. I guess. This is the
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's the electric. So that's not bad. Hey, I don't. Can you actually? This is stuck on pretty good. Why don't you just? Yeah, it's okay. Darn, I'd say if it was stuck on really good, you could patch it and paint it, prime it, paint it.
Well, we still could. I mean,
Just don't paint the woodwork. I think we leave the woodwork.
Yeah, the woodwork here is pretty.
Yeah, we might actually go a different color. I don't know if it's worth going like that.
It's dark in here, and you got the old push knob for the lights throughout the house too. You got a lot of hobbit doors in here too. The one right behind this door here. You got a little hobbit door. It's just storage. I told you you're gonna love it.
The hell was that?
I don't know. Should we let the viewers find out?
They want. Oh man, what is it? Oh, they don't look good from here. So obviously we'll paint. A little damage there.
yeah, that's right.
I think so. Yeah,
Light.
something better in here then. Or if we can do an actual tub in here or something.
Keep getting stopped back there.
Okay, well, we can, like keep this.
I know, that was neat.
This is cool.
About cat door.
I didn't even see that.
So yeah, paint these
You got a
guys.
hot tub in back.
Wow, it's like a little sitting room. This isn't bad. It's got outlets. I figured the window's okay.
Yeah.
That's back there, weird. So does this go to the kitchen? There's another door in the kitchen too.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Storage.
There's all this space
Oh, yeah.
back here.
It's a kitchen door.
And then you got
Pantry.
the kitchen.
Where's the laundry room? Yeah.
What's in here? Oh, oh,
Pizza?
oh, how scary.
I don't.
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
Should we check that out?
Look at that. Those are nice G profiles.
Oh, they found your washer and dryer set down here, Derek. This is your laundry room. Firebox. What's a firebox?
The fireplace. Remember the fireplace upstairs?
Oh my
That's
gosh.
the original one. But don't throw that out. Keep it.
You heard that, right? You can sell it on eBay. I mean, Marketplace.
Yeah. See how it's all effervescing a little bit. Can we fix this somehow?
What the heck is this? Is this the old furnace?
Yeah, that's obviously Grandpa didn't want to.
furnace?
You know, it's
You know
warm.
where it is? Come here.
The warman's upstairs. So.
I'm guessing this is the furnace.
Oh, yeah. I did.
Yeah.
You were too. That.
That's a heck of an event.
Well, it takes a 4-inch filters. 2 of them. 2 bores.
Oh yeah. Well, the York. It's got AC. gas.
That's good.
Can't be that old. Still got the sticker on it. I use the kind of efficiency sticker. Oh, I hope you enjoy, Grandpa. Love Willie installed 3518.
Oh,
So that's not too bad. I had an old coil on it though, so
what does this go to?
nailed shut.
Is it nailed shut?
Oh.
Okay, I don't want to know what's back there then. Oh, you got treasured back in there.
Boy, I had a cool yeah, there's some old plumbing and stuff.
See, you got wrapping bows and. What is this, Paul?
Cold plunge tub.
Woohoo! Cold plunge, yeah.
That's a huge thing. You got the panel right here to the side of it. Handrail.
Nope. Let's see what's in it, D.
The cow's paw.
Come on now. You can do it.
Maybe.
You guys are good at taking apart
I need
hot tubs, right? And it takes both of you.
Oh my god! Is there anything in there?
No. Empty.
Water
Why is it so heavy?
Waterlogged.
Oh, that'll do it. I love the log.
Let's cut this deck down.
So let's look at that thing in the corner, Paul. That's what I was talking about.
Oh, there you go.
Look at this.
Oh.
What's
That
that?
up
It's installed. I'm guessing it works. And then there's a whole other room over here too. I think there's a fridge in
Oh yeah,
there.
here's the old.
Oh my gosh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, very oddly done edition. Where you put your kid out here too.
A fridge, I think.
The vending machine.
Oh, it's a vending machine? I was wondering what it was.
Oh, over here, what is?
Does it have money in it? I'm just kidding.
Machine.
Oh my god. That's what I'm saying. Y'all need to check the vending machine bucket, the hopper bucket. Nope, it's open. Want some candy?
There's a
I gotta,
soda
I
back
gotta
here.
do.
Oh, it's still in there.
Wild cherry.
Okay,
Oh,
I
some
gotta.
of this popped. We'll make it work. You're just gonna throw this thing out, right?
Dylan wants to recycle it and put it into a high school. That's what they do with these things nowadays.
That's the 07.
Is there money in it? Let's find out. A whole $2.
This won't bring any money with it.
Probably not.
Except $1 bills.
The power's cut off to it.
God, you think that would work here?
Was there another key inside, maybe?
That ain't working.
You don't see any other key around?
No.
Nothing else. Where'd you find that first one, dear?
I opened up the thing and it was
was
just
in the door.
sitting in the door.
Door?
It's sitting in there.
Is there a second one in here, maybe?
Let's see. Maybe it's
Look at that change thing, though. You can't be too old because there's
07.
newer quarters in here.
Where's the change?
Oh, here's another key.
Oh, yeah, same number. Where did I see that? This one didn't. Oh, I know. Oh, this is just this side. This side. So, more key there. So I opened this. This is the same key. It's the same number. But I think this one, see, because this side opens up. The money sits right here. It's a wild cherry coke. This one's not.
What year was this candy?
The date was faded.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Plus, it's been melted, so no one wants to eat that.
A little money in there.
Look at all that.
A little bit of money.
You got some in the back, too. Way in the back. Couple quarters. Yeah, they're a little moist.
All right, let's open the dollar thing.
All right, let's see if they win the money. There's a whole $2. I'm good.
$20
That's-
each
that's
if you
my
get a candy
guess.
bar. $20
That's my guess. $2. What's your guess, D?
$100.
$100. Nice. I like your optimism. Woo!
Oh,
Survey says, what's in the hopper?
yeah.
Someone took the key and said, "Rah, rah, rah." Oh, it's a big bathroom. Bathtub. It's a lot of wallpaper in here. Oh boy. So as I'm walking through the house, something is tickling the back of my head and giving me chills and shivers. It's kind of lighting me up. Got the old school knobs. Hold my breath. Proverbs. Oh. Okay, so you have 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a closet upstairs. Oh boy. Let's see what the outside looks like. We got a hot tub. What did we find here today, dear? Treasures
Money.
in the field.
Yeah.
Always
a little bit
fun.
of cashola, enough for a couple parking meters.
Sure. So that was our first walkthrough here in the second property we picked up here in Twin Falls in really a short
Downtown
period
Twin
of time.
Falls,
Yeah. And we're already finding treasures in the field. All
Yeah,
right. We'll see
parking
you
meter
guys.
money.
That's right.
See ya.
We're in Twin Falls, Idaho, and we're just checking in on the progress of one of our homes.
Yep.
Let's go see where we're at.
Well, Pat's gonna do it. Front. So
Uh-oh. Really? Where?
he's right there.
Oh, yeah. It's sticky. There might be some wet paint. It's wet. Oh, it's looking really nice. Look at the floor.
Hey guys. Hey.
Hello.
Oh no, just about to put one piece of towel and it's sink falls in. Good. Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Holy cow, Paul, did you grow a beard? No.
Hi,
I
Dee.
do something. That's awesome. Hi.
He's got the goatee
I
going.
know. Sometimes I do.
Look at this. So what all are you doing here, Dylan?
Did tile, redid all the cabinets and ordered new cabinet doors, and then repainted the faces of them.
Okay.
Brand new dishwasher, brand new stove. Reused the refrigerator, all cleaned out.
Nice.
Had the granite guys put in granite. No, they installed the sink as well.
Are we sure that's granite? That might be quartz.
Quartz. Yeah, sorry. Brand new garbage disposal, brand new water lines,
Nice.
brand new outlets underneath.
Yeah. Looking good.
And then our faucet just came in from Amazon the other day.
Gotta love the Amazon.
Oh yeah, that's where you get all your deals.
I know.
Well, that one I think was 60 something bucks. I can't
Nice.
remember. So I mean, rather than in Lowe's, it's like 90 to 100. So
100 something bucks. Yeah.
We love Amazon. We shop there often. And then
Oh,
I
yeah.
saw like a little bit of the character was left behind.
absolutely.
You know, so that's kind of neat to see.
Kept that brand new line.
That looks nice, much better. And then good paint job too. You got the trim
That was
going.
the old bento there.
That one, I don't think. I can't remember if that one had one or not, but one of them was missing one, and then that one upstairs
That's
did
nice.
the same thing because it was broken.
So
Yeah. So
It's nice though.
yeah,
And
right
it
up the old
kept
one.
the shelving. I like that.
Yeah, that's all here. That was original.
And that was original. It's nice. And oh my gosh, the purple's gone.
Oh,
the
yeah.
purple's gone. All right. So what do we do over here?
this one,
Look at the bathroom coming together. Wow. Hi.
Oh yeah.
Whew. Paint job looks great.
Yeah, let's get on to the real bathroom.
Closet. Is that the other D? Are we painting in there, D?
Yeah. Well, I gotta read the spigot.
We got some painting going on. Look at you. Wow, we made this into a room. I love it.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Lucky.
So we closed off the door, made that a room, right? Didn't it go through before?
Well, yeah, that's just part of this master now.
Yeah,
It was
that's
always
nice.
like this.
Yeah,
I do want to need a door down there.
yeah, that's nice.
Miss the door was shit anyway.
That's
Was
good.
you wearing a mask today?
He's masked it up.
Jeez, I'm impressed.
Got brand new carpet. Paint is done. Wow, look at this space. This is nice. Opened it up. So there used to be just a door right here. So this was kind of a closet, but they opened it up. I like that. You could put a sitting chair up here now. That's great. Do we still have a hot tub? We still got a hot tub down there. Paint. Let's check out the bathroom. Well, this looks nice. Look at this. Very nice. And 2 more bedrooms. Some touch-up still to go. Just part of the job. Day in a life.
We haven't taken out the hot tub yet.
Oh.
But we're bringing the excavator around back here and gonna bring it through and take it out with the excavator.
Yeah.
So I'll get your video of that.
All right, cool. I like that. You're looking forward to it too a little bit, aren't you?
Oh yeah, that will saves big time. Oh, that koi pond out there.
Where's the koi pond?
So it was that ice bath thing that we kind of
Oh,
got
is that
looking.
a koi
So that
pond?
one used to be a koi pond,
No.
and it is heavy. It's like
Yeah,
cast iron.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you'll like the basement too.
Yeah, well, let's
Oh.
go see. You want to talk to us about what you did?
So I watched. No,
It's tight
So-
to get down here.
it is. So had carpet guy lay brand new plywood all over the walls where all of that crummy cement
Yeah.
was. Just the high cosmetics. It looks better.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
And then we can hang our circular lights. We got lights down here now.
Okay. So it's better storage for someone.
It is. You got a brand new hookup for your washer dryer.
Okay.
So I still got to run pipe up and out. It's got to be all hard pipes and it's in the basement.
Are we doing another coat of paint or no?
On some places, the downstairs was primed and then painted.
Wow.
So
For like this or something.
yeah, like this, it took up so much. So
Yeah.
we'll come back down here and it's raw wood too, so it really soaked it up.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but
Raw wood. So talk to me about the difference between raw wood and what?
so when you have raw wood like that, like your old time wood, rather than like the plywood that we put on the walls, it will absorb the paint. So it'll look like you didn't even paint it at first. So to take 2, 3, sometimes 4 coats, just because it sucks so much of it up. And I guess I think the plywood there, we primed it and painted it, and it took 1 coat of primer, 1 coat of paint. That's 1 coat of primer and 1 coat of paint already. So it just
That
sucks
is
it
the
up.
difference, yeah. Interesting.
And then
You just clean this up, it looks so
Oh,
much better.
and then that old
yeah.
furnace that was down here,
Mm-hmm.
you couldn't take it up. I don't know how they got it down in the first place. I think they built it down here.
Yeah.
So I had to take that apart.
Ooh, there's a whole back end back here too.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Cleaned it up. I gotta leave this clean in here still.
Yeah. That's what this is?
Yeah, that's what that is. It's
There's
just,
your best coin. Go
just
right
a-
in there.
just a little one. It's not too big.
That's easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
That's a fun day for Dylan.
Oh, I'd rather be in the crawl space than the attic.
Wow.
Attic is super tight.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
Well, this looks fantastic. Good
Yeah.
job. We come and disrupt the day.
Oh. It's fine. I feel like I haven't seen you guys forever.
I know, right?
You need one of those?
All right, and that's mid-cycle.
What's the fan of this?